Asus wraps the technology of the Zephyrus S in a thin and compact case. The hardware is able to render every current game smoothly on the matte 144Hz IPS display. The possibilities to upgrade the device are very limited. The Zephyrus S GX531GM from Asus was not on our radar. Several weeks ago, we tested the sister model Zephyrus S GX531GS. While both laptops feature the same Core i7-8750H 6-core CPU, the GX531GS is equipped with the more powerful GeForce GTX 1070 Max-Q GPU. Today's review unit has a GeForce GTX 1060. Competitors are the MSI GS65 Stealth Thin A3, the Schenker XMG Neo 15, the Razer Blade 15 base model, and the HP Omen 15DC0015NG. Since both Zephyrus devices are identical apart from the GPU, we will not discuss the case, the accessories, the input devices, the display, and the speakers in this review. Please refer to the review of the Zephyrus S GX531GS for information about them. The matte 15.6-inch display of the Zephyrus S with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels delivers a good brightness, 309.2 CD/M2, and contrast ratio, 1114:1. Besides, the 144Hz panel shows off with fast response times. Although the laptop uses the same panel as its sister model, the measured values slightly differ. Two identical displays never have exactly the same values. With the Zephyrus S, Asus provides a very slim 15.6-inch gaming laptop, which can smoothly render every current game. Our review unit comes at a €2,000 to €2,100, till at $2,300 price point. There are no other trim levels available at the date of our review. The Zephyrus S has a pre-installed control center software named Armoury Crate. The software enables you to set the power management scheme for the laptop. There are 5 options available: silent, balanced, turbo, manual, and Windows. If you choose the last one, the power management of the Windows operating system takes control. We chose this option for our test procedure and performed every benchmark with the Windows Power Plan High Performance. Furthermore, we conducted several benchmarks using the turbo option provided by the Armoury Crate Control Center. Please refer to the comparison tables for results.